Oh, look at those juices. Eating good tonight, Martha?
Hey, Martha, we be eating good tonight. Sweet Martha, we be eating good tonight. Oh, my coals are burning hot. You're looking out of sight.
Hey, welcome to the pit, BBQ Pit Boys, Wolf Rooster Chapter, down in New Zealand. Today we're going to cook up some good old Kiwi burgers. Here we have some ground pork, some ground beef, rashers of bacon there we're going to smoke up. Here we have some BBQ Pit Boy seasonings, some beetroot, tomato, and there's some eggs there as well. Some good mayonnaise, some ketchup. We got some red onion there, head of lettuce, some good rolls. Yeah, it's going to be good. Right now we're going to combine these meats together and we're going to add a bit of some seasoning. Right, we've got some Kansas City going in there, just a bit of a sprinkle there, and yeah, that's the story. And we've got some a fancy steak spice, got a bit of salt content there, and the good old-fashioned SPG. Now we're gonna give it a good mix. Right, now we're gonna make some meatballs and start forming those patties. We're gonna do three here, even size. Yeah, just forming those patties there. We like to put a little dimple in the middle. It just helps to stop them shrinking up while they're doing their cook. Just a little old trick that we do at the pit sometimes. Yeah, just a little dimple in the middle there. Yeah, now let's get these burgers on the grill. Oh, here's some bacon that we've, through the miracle of time, we've got smoking there on the offset there. Yeah, we're gonna, what should we add? We'll add a bit more Kansas City here. Yeah, straight on those rashers. Yeah, we'll just put these patties on the offset as well. There'll be some good burgers there. Now we're gonna use the kettle, a bit like an oven on the offset there. We've got the temperature around about 300 Fahrenheit. That's about 150 Celsius. We're gonna cook those burgers for around up to about 30 minutes. Now just checking on those burgers about halfway through, and we're gonna give them a good flip like that. Oh, look at those juices. Eating good tonight, Martha? Now we've cracked some of those farm fresh eggs in the black iron pan, and we're going to add a little bit of SPG. Now we're going to take those rolls, we're going to toast them up and freshen them up a bit over the charcoal. And through the miracle of time, we're back at the station. There we are. Oh, that looks good. Time to build those burgers. Put a good quality mayo there, put it on like that. Lord have mercy. Now to bring home that bacon.
You used to be a ton of fun. Now you're just a ton. You used to be a ton of fun. Now you're just a ton.
Pile that bacon on. Oh yeah, it's good. Add some slices of Swiss cheese. Oh, and a bit more bacon. Oh, there's some for the pitmaster right there.
How big you gonna get? Yeah, you're the biggest girl I met.
Oh, let's add some sharp cheddar there. Some pit cheddar. Yeah, can never have enough cheese. Oh, now for them SPG fried eggs. Look at that. Oh, they'll melt that cheese a little bit too. Now for some red onion. Just a bit. Oh, now for those leafy greens. Yeah, just a bit of healthy stuff there. Actually, it's all healthy. All a man needs is a good burger. Once a week. Twice a week. Yeah. Ah, here's the magic. That New Zealand beetroot. Pickled beetroot, that is. And a slice of tomato. Now for them lids. Yeah, a bit more mayo. And a bit of ketchup there. Just some good condiments, yeah. We've cooked the meat, now let's eat. Oh, and we're not apologizing. We're gonna eat in front of you.
Spare ribs, barbecue fried ribs, margarita back ribs.
Thumbs up. Oh, one more thing. Let's see what one of these Kiwi burgers looks like inside. By the way, no Kiwis were harmed in the making of this video. Look at that. It's good.